this is the microlyzer blade, and this is important. This is a 600 micrometer microlyzer, and its specially designed structure induces stress on the blood cells, causing them to release billions of vesicles. I suppose it also plays a crucial role in the activation of the platelet cells themselves. So this will be the centrifuge you're using, which is slightly different than some of the others. You can see that it's capable of swing out arms, double spin if required, and this will be the contents that we're using. This is transferred back into the syringe, and we have 4 centrifuge cycles to complete. For the first cycle, we're going to spin the tubes at 570, at 2000 RPM for 3 minutes. Then we're going to spin them on a second program at 3,500 for 4 minutes, and then a third cycle of 2000 for 3 minutes, and then a final cycle of 4000 for 10 minutes. And these tubes here are slightly more advanced than the normal PRP tubes. They're more like PRF tubes, and they will enhance vesicle release from the blood cells. They're specially grooved, and that facilitates the billions of vesicles being released and the activation of platelet cells. I'll see here one of our doctors is taking off the blood into the advanced PRF tubes, and this is a vital part of the process. So we need 4 of those, and then it goes back to the 20-minute tube. And in this instance, this patient is a slightly more difficult blood draw than a lot of patients, but we'll get there. So this is the 4 advanced PRF tubes ready for the spin. And do you want to say a few words about the spin?
So we're gonna do it just on the normal program. We're gonna do on program 1, which is at 1150 for 4 minutes. And then we're ready to start. There it goes.
Good. And here we have to transfer the platelet-rich solution into a 20 ml syringe. There is a little bit of debris at the very bottom, so we withdraw now with a longer needle the solution.
Separated the red blood cells from the platelet-rich plasma, and now we are removing that into the separate syringe. There we go.
So then it's transferred from one 20 ml syringe to the other with the introduction of this microblader.
Yep.
Yeah. And when it goes from one side to the other, you have to end up with an uneven number so that it's not back on the side that it started.
And we know that with that little arrow there showing us that the PRP syringe starts on this side. I'm just hoping this, because we don't have lure lock here, so I'm a bit worried. This is not gonna... You can stop filming now.
So we're just applying 2 lure lock syringes. And just show me the arrow again for a second? So the arrow is pointing towards the side we're starting from.
Mm-hmm.
Good.